Making a 1-minute video here teaching you guys how to fix your Dyson vacuum. They sold millions of these, and this is a very common problem, and people's hose start leaking right where when you're sucking it up, it bends right here. I got electrical tape, pull it out exactly where it's supposed to be, wrap it that way, and then look what's happening when you shut it, guys. You're good as new again. Check that out. Hit that like button, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for helping you guys out. I'm gonna finish wrapping this up, go vacuum, and I got no loss of suction.